Alright traders, I'm back again with another video, and this time I'm going to update you on a trade that I'm in. Just an update for the US CAD. And in the US CAD we are making 122 pips right now, but 5 minutes ago there was news for the CAD. So there's some news going on with the CAD today, and let's see what that is first, and then we can get back to this trade. So on the news for today we have the CAD Bank Canada Consumer Price Index, and then we also have the Consumer Price Index, and then you can see there's more news here today for CAD, and it's 7:30, and 7:30 for the news to happen, and that's what it's 7:36 now, so that's going on. You can see these two. This is a high priority news, and this is high priority news here. And then you got this medium strength news here. This is all throughout. You got the wholesale sales, and I don't pay a lot of attention to news. I do look at news that's going on that day, so I know how if it's going to affect my trade. But I don't trade based off of news. But if I'm in a trade, I move my stop loss very tight, or else I don't trade during news time. Usually I don't trade. I stop my trades and just go with basically just go with technical analysis. But you can see this is looking really good here, and I'll probably just keep this stop loss right here, and whatever price does, it does. If it keeps moving up, then I can move my stop loss up. So right now we're at 120. We'll let it go to this stop loss, and if it takes us out, then we'll take that profit there, because basically right here you could see on the 4-hour time frame right here, hitting right here, this is a double top. So price came up, hit this level. This is the strong resistance level here, and then price went all the way down here after it hit this resistance level right here. See where this line is, right where my stop loss is, and then price dropped and then came back, and now it's attempting to hit that, break that level again. So if it breaks that level, we can keep our stop loss there for a while and just continually move it. If it doesn't break it, we'll take the profit right there. And then price, if the price pulls back and attempts to break it again later, we can get that move. So we'll just let the market pull back if it's going to pull back after we already get our profit, and then maybe attempt to break that level again. So therefore it's Friday, and I don't know what, I don't trade a lot on Friday. I usually like to end my trades Friday, definitely at the end of the day Friday, unless I'm in something spectacular. And this is a good trade. I don't know, that's all I really have to tell you. I wanted to just show you that I'm going to do a video with the basics of Ichimoku again, because I have a lot of people seem to not understand some of the basic things, so I want to just drive that home. But looking at this trade here, I'm just trading with the Kumo cloud and the 100 period moving average. I'm not using the Tenkan Sen, the Kijin Sen, or the Chiku span, and all I'm doing is trading breakouts. So breakouts and bounces. So a Kumo break, a Kumo bounce, and a fractal level right here, anywhere that I'm trading. So if this is the fractal level right here, I'm trading a fractal break or a fractal bounce. A fractal break would be breaking this level. So if I didn't get on this bounce, which I did, I got in on the Kumo bounce, then I would trade this fractal break, because now price is going, I know it's going on that break. And then if I didn't get in on a break, I can wait for a retrace back to that level. Now it's getting far from that level, so maybe it'll make another fractal up here, retrace, and then break that fractal. And that's just how I just trade, basic simple way. And I got in, like I said, on this bounce. I put these expansions in just so I can expect that move and know where it is, and that lines right up with this double top here with this strong resistance area. So I'm not really expecting this to close up here, but with that news it may close high, depending on what the outcome is of that news. And it looks like it's pretty decent because the CAD isn't dropping. The CAD's still going up. Well, the dollar is going up, and CAD's dropping. So yeah, the CAD news probably wasn't that great. Dollar's looking a little stronger. Um, that's about it, traders. Just wanted to update you on this trade and let you see that yes, this does work. It doesn't work all the time, but you don't need it to work all the time. You need it to work half of the time, because if you keep your stop losses and everything tight and manage your money properly, you can lose half of your trades and still be profitable. Two trades you lose 50 pips, but one winning trade you can get 113 pips. So I'm up. Okay, so now it looks like CAD may be gaining a little tiny bit of strength. It's starting to come down a little bit, but the dollar's still looking strong, holding off that level. And we'll see if we get stopped out here. And this is just basically how I look for my trades. I look for pairs that are close to this Kumo, getting ready to bounce on the Kumo or break through the Kumo, pairs that are in the Kumo. And your 100 period moving average is going to be your signal, not your trigger, your signal. So price breaks up above that 100 period moving average, I know that I'm looking for a trade there now. And then once price breaks the Kumo, that's my trigger. And coming down, it will be the same way. Here's my signal, because I broke the 100 period moving average, and here's my trigger. We broke the Kumo. And we're dropping a little bit here. This this resistance level is going to be tough for this to break unless there's something really bad with the CAD, and then the dollar will take off. But it's looking like this may be the level where the profits will get taken out. Okay, just wanted to update you guys on that, and we'll come back with another video explaining this system really well. But traders, until then, have a great trading day and be blessed. God bless you. So long.